Hello guys, so today's vlog, join me as I put to the test the new Godox ML100Bi or bicolor, a portable LED lights, and let's see if it is good for a content creator and a vloggers. The Godox ML100Bi or bicolor is lighter and brighter. While maintaining a lightweight design, the MLBI or bicolor boosts the high brightness and maximum power of 100 watts. So again guys, this is the new Godox ML100Bi. Actually, there is a three packaging. Yeah, this is ML BI with carry bag. Yeah, with carry bag. And there's also ML100 Kit 1 and ML100Bi Kit 2. Yeah, so you have three options, but on today's blog we have only here the ML100Bi, which is with a carrying bag. So, and guys, we will test the light and check the quality of the light, and let's see if this is good lights for content creators and vloggers. This is the bag of the new Godox ML100Bi. So, guys, okay, unbox. You have a very lighter and small, even smaller than the other brand. Okay. This is the size of the light. Imagine 100 watts light. Again, you have option also to use a direct power and a USB-C. On this side, you have direct power and USB-C. USB-C, as long as you have a power bank, you can use this light for a power bank or direct power. So this is the light. This is your main light, which is the 100 watts, and you have tiny and very cute, tiny and very cute reflector. So this is your standard reflector and a cable. Then yeah, and also the holder. So this is the holder, which is a light stand holder. So either you can put umbrella, so there's umbrella holder, and so let's test the light and check the quality. And yeah, so guys, this is the light, and it's too powerful but small and powerful. So let's adjust the light, guys. So again, this is the Godox. So this is the Godox, guys, the ML 100Bi. So let's adjust because it's too high. See, this is how you adjust. CCT 31%. See, okay. So this is 31% power. Adjust. It's too powerful, guys. Even you cannot see direct to the lights. And yeah, I think you need a softbox. So don't look at the lights, pare, because it's too bright. Again, this is the light, and let's see, and 100%. This is the 100% power of the Godox ML100Bi. So of course, we'll not use that 100. It's too bright. Then I think this one is more than enough. So this is the quality of the um, Godox ML100Bi. So guys, imagine this is 27%. I make it low, like 20% light. I use the 20% of the light of the new Godox ML600Bi. So thank you, Kinsu. Thank you. Thank you. Still bright, pare. Wala, it's still bright. It's still bright. So, and guys, I think that's it for today. I cannot see the light direct from the light. So, okay, let's adjust. It's too powerful light, guys. Yeah, guys. This is a 10% only. A 10% power that I use for the new Godox ML bicolor portable lights. It's lighter, smaller, and yet it's very powerful light. So check this one, guys. I highly recommend the new Godox ML 100 bicolor. Really, it's too bright. From 10%, even I cannot see now. let's try let's try to use the this is daylight, so let's check the tungsten. Yan. Okay, so we are 10% power for the 100 watts tungsten. So this is the tungsten, and yeah, it's still too bright. I cannot see the light direct. I cannot see direct from the light. It's hitting my eyes, and yeah, it's too bright. But again, remember that we are not using a softbox, we're using reflector. So I suggest that you have a softbox on this light. So yeah, so I think it will be more softer. So I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability, actually it's available now to AB World. So if you want to check the price, you can visit our website www.abworld.com, or if you want to check all the Godox product that we have, check to our website www.abworld.com. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.